and curfew. We can't go cook at the riverside. Right, Claudine?
Right.
So, we just had to make do with some KFC. So that's the plan. But guys, like, tell me if anybody ever faced this problem. Like, why KFC won't tell you from before so they don't have barbecue chicken? Like you go stand up in this long line and then when you reach, oh sorry, no barbecue chicken. What if you only eat barbecue chicken from KFC? Just spoil up my day. But you'll see homegirl around the back with her shades. Alright, I say hi. Sorry, she's too busy, guys. Alright, I won't eat the fries. You don't want the fries? Okay.
They give me a starch. Bread and potato. With all that stuff. No wetness. No
you guys want the corn now?
Yeah. Oh, so that's one of the things that we gotta wait till we fall asleep. You gotta eat everything.
That is Auntie Claudine.
No, plastic really. You cannot like that. Like gimmies. She eats them.
You got a pizza, man. She will eat that your grandpa. She'll eat the corn, yeah. She'll eat the corn. And you can't wait, really? You couldn't wait?
Nope.
Sheesh. What's that, Ara? You like the chicken? Alright.
You want the corn?
Okay.
Wait, say that?
So by the time we're done with this, 4 more Friday. I forgot tomorrow.
So let's stick a pin there. You see how you just spray up and dirty up the car?
Ta-da!
Because she cleaned it off for you. She cleaned it, so she said ta-da. High five, yeah? High five. So guys, I have a question for you guys. I want you to let me know in the comment section. If you live in, St. Catherine area or wherever, have you guys been to Portmore yet?
You are with sure.
You
are going to make me sure.
So as I was saying, Araya, look at you. You look like the corn.
Straight? What that mean?
With all of it on her. And that too.
My name is
Yeah. Right, so I was asking if you guys have been over by Portmore yet. You know that they now have an automated car wash. So I definitely want to try it really soon because you guys can see why. You see in our hand now? What song is that? Boo, ba-doo, boo, boo. go for it? I can't go for it. Alright guys, so this is the after effects of the day. We're actually heading back out now. It was really